Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Merry Christmas. It is December 25th, 2023. We made it through another year. We've started our 13th, 14th year in business. 2010 to 23, okay, that's 13 years. There we go. Thank you all for your support along the way. I want to wish you and your families the merriest, best Christmas ever. Happy holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas, whatever you celebrate, have a great day today. That's all I'm going to say. I'm going to show you a few items that I received from a gentleman named Sriram, S-R-I-R-A-M, that came from Japan. He also sent me a little gift package last year, which was very sweet. And I still have a few of those items that I still will make some videos with. But I'm going to show you what came, this box right here, with a bunch of goodies inside. I'll show you a few of them. Little single edge razor, disposable. It's just made of like tin that's wrapped around in a circle almost. Very economical, single blade. You can see that. Here's another one. That was grayish in color, gray-green in color. This one is gold in color. Pretty cool, single edge as well. And then I know a lot of the ladies are into this dermablading, and that's what these are. Disposable. It's kind of like your mini feather Japanese razor, but it's a single edge blade. This one is awesome because it has a wire guard on the blade. You could see that. Just like the Pro Guard blades for the Feather Artist Club razors, same deal. So I think that would be great for the ladies who are dermablading, or if you just want to shave with a straight razor this way, you could do that as well. And the guarded blade is going to offer you some protection if you're just starting out, making it easier for you to perform your shaves and get accustomed to the straight razor shaving. Here's another one with a gold handle with probably a professional type blade. This does not have the wire guard, as you can see, just the standard sharp edge blade right there. And he also sent this, which is medicated shaving gel. You can possibly make it out right there. And he said the tip to using this, the barber told him, was squirt a little bit into your bowl and then lather your shaving cream on top of it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to try that out. I'm just going to do a Christmas shave. And what better razor to use for my shave today? The razor that started everything 13 years ago. I used it in my first shaving video, the Merkur 34C, aka I like to call it the workhorse of the industry. So that's the razor that I used in video numero uno. I'm going to use it again today. I'm going to load it up with a feather blade. Here is the blade right there. You can see feather. You can see the glue buds on there. That's the blade I'm using today. It's got glue on both sides. We're going to drop it down over that threaded post and the two pins. 34C is a two-piece razor. Top cap, safety bar is built onto the handle, making it easier to load and unload the blade. This is the same razor that I used 13 years ago. You can see the handle's a little bit dirty, a little bit grimy, whatever. It's got some built-in that won't come out from being used so many times over the course of 13 years, but look at the head, it's still in great shape. If you clean your razor once a week, it's going to take care of you. Like I said, 13 years old, and get it to last another 13 for sure. Oh, by the way, it's a little hot with this long sleeve shirt on today, so let's get rid of this shirt. Done. Did I ever show you that? How to take off your shirt fast? Let me show you one more time. You may not have caught that. Let me put the shirt back on. When I was in Boy Scouts, when I was a little shaver, Troop 963, we had to do, for a merit badge, you had to get 30-second strip. You had to get your clothes off, your bathing suit was on, and then you would jump in the pool and swim a mile, I think it was. So to get that merit badge, that's what we had to do. We had to get our shirt off pretty quick. So what you do, just grab the back of it like this. And it's even harder because I have a shirt on under this. But once you grab that back, pull straight up with your arms up, and the shirt comes right off, nothing to it. Nice and quick. To reveal underneath the shirt that Sriram sent me, my friend Godzilla, as you know, I made a Godzilla model, which I don't have here, when I was about 10 years old. And I showed it in previous videos, a couple previous videos. So I will post a little picture of it up here if I can find one so you can see it. Here's the back of the shirt with some Japanese writing on here. So thank you, Swaram, for all these goodies. We're going to use them. We're going to put them to the test right now. Got my Shave Nation bowl. Just like you said, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to squirt a little bit right into this bowl. I'll say about that much. Just fill that lather spot with the gel. We go with the Parasso, this boar brush. Parasso by Omega boar brush. That's what it looks like. I'm going to fill up my Scully cup. Here's the Skull cup filled with hot water. Dropping that in. Just saturate it. You could let it soak in there for a few minutes, but for sake of time, I'm just going to spill it out. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to wet the tips. This is, let me show you what this is. This is the Goodfellas Smile Solo Shaving Cream. I've used it in a few videos. These shaving creams, I like them a lot. Lather up very easily. Very cushiony, wonderful scent. They come from Italy. So I've just loaded the tips of the brush like that. Gonna go right into the bowl with the gel and just swirl right on top of it. Pushing everything down into that lather spot. And the friction from the tips running across that lather spot will create some lather. I'm pretty thick right now. I like to add a little bit of water. But I like the way that brush looks, like that. A little bit of water in there. Just add water sparingly as you go along. That way you won't drown out your lather. Getting that scent, getting the scent from both items, the gel and the cream. Still kind of thick, but that's good. Plenty of lather in here for a few passes. There we go. Let's do it. I'll warm up my face. We'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is pretty warm. Let's lather up. Grab our brush and our bowl right here. There's our luscious lather. Start on the right. Work our way over to the left. Nice thick lather from the combination of the medicated shave gel and the shaving cream. Dabbing, painting, swirling. Just drive that lather into the beard, soften it up. Prepare your face for the shave ahead. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe the neck. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. All right. Mercor 34C. Under the hot water. Here we go. I had substantial beard growth, so we'll see if this 34C can handle it. I think it will. With the feather blade, should be no problem. This is a great razor for ladies or gents who are starting out. One of the more popular razors over the years. All right, you see all that stubble? Both sides are filled. Let's rinse it. Rinses out easily, right down the neckline. Very nice. Okay, let's hit the left side. That side's filled. We'll flip it to the other side. Cut that sideburn. Work your way down. Cleft. Rinse. Both sides filled up. Okay, down the neckline, carry on. Excellent. Rinse. I'll get the mustache. We can scoop right under the nose. You can see low profile head, get right in there. All right, very good. Rinse that. Slight rinse to the face. Grab our brush and our bowl. Let's relather for a second pass. Just a light coating. It is a thick shaving cream. I think the gel kind of held it together to make it a little bit thicker. Figure 8. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways again. All right, first pass was with the grain. Now we'll go across. Second pass. Just letting the weight of the razor do the work. Gliding the blade over the skin. And you don't even have to think about your angle once you get the hang of it. It just naturally falls into place. Might take you a couple shaves to get there. One of the best tips I can give is you don't want to be scraping the skin. What you want to do is you don't want to scrape like that. Start with the razor like this, with the rounded portion against the skin, and then just tilt it slightly up till it catches. Once it catches, that's your sweet spot. Even on your neck, start with it rounded, nothing happening. Just right there, it catches. That's your sweet spot. You don't want to go too far where you're dragging it across the skin or scraping. Just rounded, tilt the handle up a little. Find that sweet spot. Right there. Get a little bit of audible feedback from the razor as well. Same thing, rounded, tilt the handle up. Nothing happening, tilt it up. As soon as it catches, that's your spot. Whether it be the cheeks, the neck, any area. Okay, across under the mustache. We'll just use the corner, tilt it, clean out the hairs under the nose, flatten your lip, lay it flat. Same thing this way. Clean up. Rinse. Excellent. Very nice. Close. Let's just lather those cheeks a bit. Just a little bit of cream. And we'll go against the grain on the cheeks. Get them baby smooth for a nice Christmas Day shave. Here we go. Like I said, rounded, tilt slightly up. Right there. As soon as it catches, that's your sweet spot. You can take longer strokes here if you want to. Less beard to overcome. Okay, same thing on the other side. Rounded, tilt slightly up. Stretching the skin with the thumb. There you go, rinse that. Cold water rinse to the face. It feels nice. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Excellent finish to the shave. Seal off any little nicks or weepers if you got any. Recap it, set it down. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Cold water rinse. Feels great. Cold water. Pat the face dry. Not dry, but slightly damp. Proraso Sandalwood Aftershave Balm. Remove the cap. A little bit in the fingertips. It's a little bit thick, so you don't need too much, about that much. Massage that directly into the skin. Excellent finish to the shave. Cooling, calming. Just a quick dry. Fold your towel. This is a nice barbershop finish to your shave right here. Feels really good. Okay, that is it. That shave is complete. The Merkur 34C, the workhorse of the industry. Loaded with a feather blade. Right there. I'll give you an aggression rating. I think I've said this before. This razor's like a 5. It's right down the middle as far as aggression. As I said, the workhorse of the industry. Loaded with a feather blade. Right here. Always an excellent shave. I would like to say thank you to Saram for sending all these nice products for me to check out. And I will use these in a future video. Just today I wanted to get through a quick Merkur Basic 34C Safety Razor Shave. I will get to some of his products in the next month, I promise. I'm going to do some shaves with those. And thanks for the t-shirt. I'm very happy with my Godzilla t-shirt. There we go. Alright, if you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much again for 13 years of support. I greatly appreciate it. My heart goes out to all of you. I hope you have a great day with your families and share the love. Everybody, you know what? Just be nice to each other, that's all. There's no reason for all this bad feelings in the world, whatever you want to call it, bad feelings toward one another. You know, the old adage, why can't everybody just get along? Let's live by that. The golden rule, do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Just live your life that way. Thank you. Just live your life that way. I don't want to get political or anything, but just be nice to each other. That's all. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy and Godzilla. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Having some technical difficulties, of course. Can never be easy, right? I want to say not too mild, not too... Yeah, I'm fine. The light fell down. It's okay. Always something. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.